welcome to the Portugal Sketching Retreat. You're joining me with a group of 11 sketchers from all over the world who have met here to go and sketch in 5 different cities all over Portugal. Starting in Lisbon, the next 9 days, sketching in each location every day, having workshops, tours, activities, and all sorts of things. We're headed to Belém and some tuk-tuks. Here we go. Everybody, let's talk about how this is working in perspective, and also the profile of the sky meeting the building. Those are the 2 things that I'm focused on right here. What I'm attracted to is I could actually draw this as a void, and then the church will appear. So I'll throw in some guidelines here, and that is pretty much all I need to know before beginning a watercolor. The next layer of this would then be the shadows on the structure. So instead of looking at the detail, I'm looking at the shadow that is being casted by that detail. Okay, I have a quick study sketch here. Loose, expressive. I've got the composition. I'll just start off with my overall boundary here. I can let the blue come into here. Look, because it's a shadow, so I can let that shadow bleed into the building. So you can let the sky almost fall into the building. I want to encourage a loose start. You can always refine in stages. As loose start, and that'll give you more flexibility. So here now I can loosely apply my wash, right? This color of the building. Let this dry, and then I'm going to go in with line work and define certain primary edges and certain details. Then at the very end, I'll go back in and color. I think that's a video. Notice my brush strokes. So when you're learning to paint, it's not just the colors you choose, it's the way you work the brush. A little bit of a other color inside of here. I can tap it with a little brown. And I would let that go. I wouldn't touch it. Hey guys, this is the Pedros. We got Pedro Alves, Pedro Loureiro. These guys are local legends. I wanted to honor the local legends here. No pressure.
There. I can hold it like this for a little bit longer. They have one thing in common, which is like all the heads are aligned, basically, right?